Hello everyone, welcome to OP Study. This is Niranjan. Today we'll be discussing about the map marking. This is the actually paper 2018 paper. Is it working? Okay. This is 2018 paper OPSC 2018 geography paper. This is paper 1. This is paper 1. As you know that question number 1 and 5 of any paper is compulsory, and you have to choose another 3 out of other questions. So if you look at this instruction they have given, that this is the actually most important instruction they have given also. Like out of like you have to outline, you have given the outline map of the world map, like as it is a paper 1. So you have given the world map. In paper 2 you will be given the India map. So in so what they have asked to do is that mark the location of the following uh, and mark the location and write the most significant aspect of each of those, not more than 10 words. So two major thing they have mentioned is that one, you have to mark the location, and you have to write the most important aspect. What is most important aspect? The aspect, the geographical aspect, the geographical most significant aspect. So you shouldn't write the historical perspective or historical um, significance, or some physical or not physical, like historical, not historical or economical, all other thing. You have to write mostly the geographical aspect of the location. So and you need to know that this you shouldn't write not more than 10 words. So they have mentioned that not more than 10 words, so you can go up to like 15 words. Like they are not counting directly, so you can go up to 15 words. So you shouldn't write more than that. So you shouldn't write more than that, means you can write, but you will not get that much mark if you're writing more than that. So this is the main thing. And another thing, like if you do this question valuation, so uh, it will be like 6 marks for two things, mm, marking and writing the significant aspect. So for writing you will get 3 marks, for marking you will get 3 another mark. So in 3 3 6. So this is the main thing. So why you will not get 3 marks? Like most of the students under the test series program, they haven't got that much in map marking. Why? That you need to know that normally this is the another thing. Like look, this is the Lake Victoria. They have given here the Lake Victoria, Rio de Janeiro. So if you consider Rio de Janeiro, what is what is the most significant aspect? This is actually the capital city as well as the eastern side of the Brazil. This is located eastern side of Brazil, and this is very much coastal area, and this is the actually capital city. So what you can write that you should mention this location. So this is actually the world map. So this will be provided to you in the exam center. So what you can write is that this is actually the Rio de Janeiro. So you can mention this thing. So normally the students are mentioning like marking the location in every for every location. They are doing the same, like point and name. So what you can do is that normally this is the actually tricks, like for geography, as a geography student you should do more to get like 3 out of 3. So normally, like if anyone asks you like Superior Lake or Ontario Lake, Ontario Lake is located here. So another thing I need to mention before doing this is, normally you can mark the location by three thing, like either by point, or through linear presentation, or through aerial presentation like this. In like point, you can mention like round point, this will be a city, or round plus, like for smaller city you can mention this thing small, and for larger city you can mention like big, some not large circle, and beside in the inside the circle there will be a point. So, and you can mention either to the city location or exact location, if anything that is asked to do the exact thing. So for point, for that you can use the point. Or another thing that you need to know is that for linear thing, where you need to symbolize this thing. So when you will do this thing, like for representing a river, for representation of a railway line or road or corridor, everything like that. So you can mention, you can symbolize this thing through linear representation. And for like aerial view, like for superior lake or plateau or something like in large, so you can do the aerial view. Like if anyone asks to point out the India, so you need to do the map actually, exact map, so it will be like a more geographical in perspective, and you will get the full mark out of that. So this is the major thing you need to know. So if anyone asks like the what will you like, if Ganga is asked, the who, what you can do is that, like uh, what you can do is that this will be like, and here, so you can do this thing. Like for direction you can mention like what is the direction, this will be a direction thing, and you can manage this thing like this thing. So it starts from Uttarakhand and goes to the Bengal, so you can do this thing. And second thing, like you can mention like for mountain range, what you can do is that, like mountain range, this will be the for peak you can mention, do the like triangle thing. For mountain range you can do is that, like mm, uh, for pass, like you can do also, like if it is like a vertical thing you need to do is that. For horizontal thing you need to do the this thing. For pass you can do is that, what you can do is that you can mention this thing. And you can mention like if you are mentioning the pass, if it is located on the mountain range, so you need to do is that, like this is the pass, this is the mountain range, and this is the thing. And you need to write like Jojila pass, so Jojila should be mentioned here, and the mountain range also be there. So like this you can do the thing. So um, like for better representation you will get more mark. And for better writing, like writing the significant aspect of the question is the main thing. Like normally the students are writing too much, and that to be vague somewhat. Like if you like if anyone asks to write about Bhubaneswar, so Bhubaneswar is a location, so what you will write, this is a capital city. This is the like most important thing. It comes under geography, because like settlement, for settlement it is for settlement geography, the capital city, the settlement is there. So you can write the like it's a capital city. And you can write the major thing, the two another thing, that it is a commercial hub or IT hub. This you can write this thing. So for this thing what you can refer is that there is a book called K Siddharth, you can refer to that. You can refer to that for the clarification. So they have mentioned like the location, they mentioned for the location. For revision also this book is very good. So what you can do is that, normally go for that, the K Siddharth book. You like they have mentioned the location, they have written the significant aspect of this question, like uh, location. That will help you in the exam paper. So this was the video. So let's see what you can improve through this video in future exam.